Hi tappers, great to see you again. Here's a routine we do in class to Slow Boat to China by Bette Midler and Manilow. Starts off with 8 toe slaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more, starting out and then in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more with a bob of the knee on the in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we've got 3 tap step heels, and a tap step will change forward. With the right foot, 1, heel, and 2, heel, 3, heel, tap step, heel, tap. That's our intro, on with the first verse. Step over with the heel, step and fall, behind, side. Heel, fall, behind, side. That's called a corkscrew step. We've got 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Full change, step. Let's come over here so we can fit all of those in. We've got 3 corkscrew steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Full change, step. The left foot, we've got a pick up step heel. And another one. We're going to pick up, spring onto it as if you're tripping yourself up with the left foot. Pick up, spring, shuffle the right foot over, step onto it, and stamp out. 2 pick up touch steps. Tap step will change stamp to the front. The first section goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. We change step, we wait for 2 counts, and then we do 2 ball changes. 1, 2, ball change, and again. 1, 2, ball change, ball change. Ball change out to the side, and ball change behind. Right foot to prepare for a pirouette. Turning around and land with a point out to the left on the left foot. 1, 2, ball change, ball change. 2, 2, ball change, ball change, ball change, back, up, round and down. Step to the side, over, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, step, 2, 3, 4, then spring onto the right foot, shuffle the left, ball change to the left foot, and stamp. 1, 2, 2, 2, change, up, round and down. So front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Carrying on with the next section, you've got the right foot ready to do 4 tap step heels going round in your own circle, round to the left. 1, heel, and 2, and 3, heel, and 4, heel. 2 tap step changes, 2 tap springs, and a tap step change. That's 4 tap step heels around in a circle, 2 tap step changes, 2 tap springs, and a tap step change. 5, 6, 7, 8. And now for this pattern, we're going to step forward and back, and we're going to step out, and we're going to do 3 ball changes around in a circle. Ball change, ball change, ball change. 2 steps, step, step. So that goes with the left foot crossing forward, back, step, ball change, step, step. Right foot's ready for maxi forward, dropping into a flat foot, shuffle the left, pick up change, and a toe tap. And 2 steps. So you get 2 maxi fours. Maxi forward, step, step. We do 2 step points, right foot's ready, step a point behind. forward, back, and shuffle will change. And then we repeat, forward, back, and step will change, will change, will change to the other side. 2 steps. See forward, go. See forward, go. Step. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 2 step heels, go. Going round. Steps. 3 step heels, a step and 2 steps. So let's recap that section from 4 tap step heels round. From the right foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Heel, step, will change, step, will change, 3, 6, step, will change. Forward, back, step, will change, will change, will change. Step, step, back, see forward, turn, back, see forward, turn, step, 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 point, step, point, half, break, sharp, heel, will change, forward, back, step, will change, will change, will change, step, step, back, see forward, turn, step, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step. Moving on with the next section, pick up, touch, step. And 1, and 2, and 3, 5 big cramp roll to the right. Pick up the left, left, right, left, right, and repeat. Pick up, touch, step, pick up, touch, step, pick up, touch, step. Now to the right. Pick up. 2 pick up steps, 2 tap step changes. Double stamp. Pick up, touch, step, pick up, touch, step. And then we do 2 more pick up, touch, steps. At that point, when we're in a regular class with lots of people, I like to split the group in half. We all do the stamp, and the right side of the room will do the first 2 pick up, touch, steps. And then the left side of the room will do the second 2 pick up, touch, steps. And then we all come together with a heel on the left foot, lifting up the right foot for the next step together. So pick up, touch section. We're on the left foot, the right foot picks up first. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we do 2 pick up steps, 2 tap step or changes, and we're repeating the bit we did earlier that has the ball change, pirouette and land, pirouette and land, left leg out to the side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, side, 2, 3, 4, spin, shuffle, ball change. We're going to move around the room a little bit with this next section. We finish with stamp on our left and our right foot is free. We're going to cross our right foot over, so we're tap step or changing to the left diagonal back. And 1, we'll change, and 2, we'll change, tap step, we'll change, we'll change, we'll change. 2 tap step or changes, 1 tap step, 3 ball changes. We're going to turn directly on ourselves, going back to the right diagonal front, left foot, tap step, we'll change, tap step, will change, and now take your left foot to the left diagonal front for your tap step, will change, will change, will change. So our pattern, right foot first. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. We're going to tap, step, heel to the side, tap, step, heel, toe tap, and heel, step back on it, step, and pick up, and heel. Let's do that slowly. Tap right foot, step, heel, toe tap left, right foot, heel, step, pick up, heel, tap, step, heel, toe, heel, step, pick up, heel. going to do it twice. Tap, step, heel, toe, heel, step, pick up, heel. The second one, we're going to turn it. Tap, step, heel, toe, heel, step, pick up, heel. 2 tap step will changes, still carrying on to the corner. Tap one, pull change, tap left, pull change, and we finish it with a tap step, heel, toe, heel, and we step back, pick up, pull change. So that section goes off, tap step, heel, toe, heel, step, pick up, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Right foot for 3 pick-up steps. Shuffle the left. Pick up, hop on 1 foot and step over. Tap step will change and stand over it. That section again, 3 pick-up steps. And 1, and 2, and 3. Shuffle, hop, step, tap step, pull, change, step. Tap step, pick up, will change to the side, to the right. To the left, and then tap, step, and 3 ball changes round. Let's do that piece a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we've got forward and back, and we step will change to the back. 2 tap step will changes, go round, then we clap, stamp, clap, stamp, 3 times, big step. Again, if we're in a big class, I'll split the group in half. The right side will do the first clap, stamp, the left side will do the second clap, stamp, and then we will do the last one together. And if you're on your own like I am today, do them all. Let's try that section from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we've reached the final section. I hope you've saved a little bit of energy. We've got the right foot ready to step on and push to the front with the left foot going forward and the hip pushing out. Push, and then 2 steps to the back. Step, step. Same thing again, stepping on the right foot, pushing the left towards the back, and step, step to the front. Ball change out, ball change to prepare, pirouette, land with the feet together on 7, and salute on 8. Then the final steps to the front first on the right leg. We've got trenches, dropping on the right leg forward, left leg back, left arm in opposition. 1, 2 to the side, 2, 2 to the back, 3, 2, and then 4, 2. Then 3 tap step will changes forward, and 1, and 2, and 3. Join with the arm up and bow down to finish. So that final section. Step, push, step, 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 push, step, step, pull, change, prepare, pirouette, land, salute. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, and change. 2, we'll change, and 3, we'll change, up, down. Let's just see if we can't do it once all the way through. Keep your fingers crossed. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. 3. 4. I hope you joined in and I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you again at the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.